Hello dear student, today I will talk about a very important topic of class 11th, redox reaction. Okay, in the previous class you were just learned about the oxidation and reduction reaction. Here there is a complete chapter of redox reaction. So first of all we will discuss about the oxidation and reduction. Okay, so there are so many concepts about the oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, according to the old concept, if there is a oxygen added to a particular substance, अगर किसी substance के साथ oxygen add होता है, so there will be oxidation. If there is a removal of oxygen from any substance is called reduction. लेकिन ऐसे बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट हैं जो ओल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट से सारी की सारी चीज़ें जो है वो क्लियर नहीं हो पाती हैं. सो देर आर सम न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द मिड कॉन्सेप्ट, इफ देर इज अ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम और ऑक्सीजन एडेड टू अ पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस, देयर विल बी ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. इट मीन्स वहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन होगा. इफ देर इज अ रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव सब्सटेंस or oxygen from any substance, there will be reduction. वहाँ पे reduction होगा. Okay, there is a electronic concept as well. If there is a electron added to a particular species, there must be reduction. अगर किसी species के साथ में electron add होता है, electron जुड़ता है, तो उसका reduction होता है. अगर electron remove करेगा तो उसका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. ओके, सो लेट अस हैव सम एग्जांपल अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. Suppose we have Fe double positive, okay, and if there is a one electron is added, it converts into, electron carries negative charge, it converts into Fe single positive. Okay, so electron is added to this particular species, so we can say this is the example of reduction. यहाँ पे reduction हो रहा है, we can say there is a reduction. Okay, suppose we have some other example. Fe triple positive, suppose double positive, okay, and it converts into Fe triple positive. Then how it converts into Fe triple positive? There is a one electron removes from this, एक electron यहाँ से remove कर जाएगा, so ये convert हो जाता है Fe triple positive. There is a removal of electron, that is why it is called oxidation. This is the oxidation reaction. Oxidation. Okay, so this is the basically electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. There is a new concept, this is my concept. If there is a increasement in the oxidation state of any element, अगर किसी कंपाउंड में किसी एलिमेंट के ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर का इंक्रीजमेंट होता है, डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी ऑक्सीडेशन. इफ देयर इज अ डिक्रीजमेंट इन द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर of an element in its compound, it is called reduction. तो ये बात आप ध्यान रखिए. तो जितने भी कॉन्सेप्ट हैं उन सबको सम अप करके ये बनाया गया कि अगर किसी एलिमेंट के ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर में इंक्रीजमेंट हो रहा है, देयर विल बी ऑक्सीडेशन. इफ देयर इज अ डिक्रीजमेंट इन द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, देयर मस्ट बी रिडक्शन. वहाँ पे रिडक्शन होगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू नो अबाउट द ऑक्सीडेशन number. Because we don't know about the oxidation number, then how we can determine the increasement or decreasement regarding the oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, so first of all we must know about the oxidation number or oxidation state. Okay, so oxidation number is the charges carried by an element in its combined form. किसी एलिमेंट की कंबाइंड फॉर्म में जो उसके ऊपर चार्ज कैरी करता है, उसी को हम लोग ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर और ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट बोलते हैं. ओके, लेट अस हैव एग्जांपल. सपोज वी हैव वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, H2O molecule. Okay, then in water molecule hydrogen carries +1 charge and oxygen carries -2 charge. Okay, so these charges carried by element in combined form is called oxidation state. Okay, oxygen carries -2, hydrogen carries +1. So these are the oxidation of hydrogen and oxygen in this particular example. Okay, suppose we have some more example like H2SO4. Suppose we have H2SO4 molecule. So in H2SO4, hydrogen carries +1 charge. So this is the oxidation state of hydrogen. Oxygen usually carries -2 charge. So this is the oxidation state of oxygen. Okay, sulfur. In order to calculate the oxidation state of sulfur, we have to use a mathematical equation. Okay, so hydrogen, there are 2 hydrogens, so we have to take 2 because there are 2 plus charge on hydrogen, because there are 2 hydrogen. One hydrogen carries +1 charge and 2 hydrogen carries of course +2 charge. Then sulfur, we have to calculate the oxidation state of sulfur, then it will be X. इसको X consider कर लेंगे. Plus oxygen carries -2 charge and there are 4 oxygen, and the whole molecule, that is H2SO4, do not have any charge, so it will be considered as 0. Okay, so solve this equation. +2 plus X minus -2 into 4, -4 2s are 8 is equals to 0. Then X is equals to 8 minus 2, then it will be 6. So we can say sulfur carries +6 charge. Okay, so these are the oxidation number of element in its combined form. Hydrogen oxidation number +1, sulfur +6, oxygen -2. Okay, the the net oxidation state for a neutral molecule is 0, because you can say that plus positive +6 and +2 total 8, positive charge इसमें 8 होगा. then oxygen -2 into 4, because there are 4 oxygen, so total negative charge -8. So we can say the overall oxidation, the net oxidation must be 0 for a neutral molecule, for a neutral species. Okay, next have some other example, like we have K2Cr2O7. Okay, K2Cr2O7, and we have to calculate the oxidation number of each element combined. इसमें जो भी एलिमेंट कंबाइन कर रहे हैं उस पे हमें चार्ज निकालना है. देन पोटेशियम, इट इज यूजुअली कैरीज +1 चार्ज बिकॉज इट बिलोंग्स टू अल्कली मेटल. सो पोटेशियम ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर +1. ओके, ऑक्सीजन high electronegative, so usually it have -2 charges. Now we have to calculate the charge on chromium. Okay, so apply the same formula as in H2SO4. We have to calculate it. And potassium, there are 2 potassium atom, so +2. Okay, 1 potassium atom carries +1 charge and 2 potassium atom will carries +2 charge, so +2. and we have to take 2x because there are 2 chromium plus oxygen -2 into 7. The total molecule is neutral 0. Actually molecule neutral ही होता है, right? रेडिकल्स पे चार्ज हो सकता है लाइक एसीटेट, अमोनियम एक्सेट्रा. सो सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. +2 + 2x minus 7 2s are 14 is equals to 0. Then 2x is equals to 14 minus 2. Then you can calculate it easily. +6, then x will be 6. Okay, x will be +6, so the oxidation number of chromium will be +6 for this particular case. I hope you get it. Let us have some other examples, some charged example जिन पे charges carry करते हैं. Okay, suppose we have MnO4 negative. This is permanganate ion. MnO4, it is called permanganate ion. Okay, so we have to calculate the charge on Mn. So we have to consider it X. इसको X consider कर लेंगे. Plus oxygen carries -2 charge, then there are 4 oxygen equal to. अभी जो मॉलिक्यूल न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल ले रहे थे उन पे चार्जेस हम जो इक्वल करके रख रहे थे 0. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, एक्चुअली जो चार्ज होगा स्पीसीज पे, दिस इज द परमैंगनेट आयन, सो देयर इज अ -1 चार्ज, so we have to put -1. Okay, and solve this equation. X plus minus minus 4 2s are 8 is equals to -1. Then X is easily calculated plus 7. So Mn carries +7 oxidation state and oxygen carries -2 oxidation state for this particular species. It means this particular permanganate species. Okay, let us have some other example like Cr2O7 negative negative. Cr2O7 negative negative. This is a dichromate ion. It is called dichromate ion, and we have to calculate the charge, the oxidation state of chromium and oxygen. Okay, so we have to consider it 2x because there are 2 chromium. Okay, oxygen carries -2 charge and there are 7 oxygen. The charge on species is -2. Okay, let us calculate this. Then it becomes 2x minus 7 2s are 14 is equals to -2. Then 2x becomes 12. Then x becomes +6. So we can say that there is a +6 charge on chromium atom in this dichromate species. So there is a +6 charge and oxygen carries -2 charge. Okay, next we have some other example, some specific example. So like H2O2, this is हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड. दिस इज अ वेरी स्पेशल एलिमेंट. अभी पेरोक्साइड हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अभी तक की सारी जो फार्मूलाज होते हैं उनको रट लेते हैं, जबकि इनका एक पैटर्न होता है कि किस तरीके से किसी को पेरोक्साइड कहेंगे या सुपर ऑक्साइड कहेंगे. इनका एक डेफिनेट पैटर्न होता है. ओके, सो बाय द वे वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ this in hydrogen peroxide for hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, so in this way hydrogen carries +1 charge. This is the oxidation state of hydrogen. Okay, and the net positive charge in this molecule will be +2 because there are 2 hydrogen and definitely 1 oxygen carries -1 charge. Okay, oxygen carries -1 charge for this specific case. Okay, there are 3 types of oxide in different molecule. Normal oxide, if oxygen carries -2 charge, it would be called normal oxide or simply oxide. If the oxygen carries -1 charge, in specific cases it is called peroxide. If oxygen carries -half charge, so definitely it would be called superoxide. Okay, so this is the oxygen here in this molecule carries -1 charge, that is why it is called hydrogen peroxide. Okay, next we have some other example like H2SO5. H2SO5, आई थिंक ये ऐसा मॉलिक्यूल आप फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे होंगे. लाइक H2SO4 तो आपने बहुत सारा पढ़ा होगा, काफ़ी सुना होगा, बट H2SO5 यस इट एग्जिस्ट, ये एग्जिस्ट करता है एंड इट्स जनरल नेम इज मार्शल एसिड. इसको मार्शल एसिड कहते हैं और ये सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड से भी बहुत हार्श होता है. देन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, सल्फर एंड ऑक्सीजन in this Marshall acid. Okay, in this H2SO5 molecule. Okay, so hydrogen definitely +1 charge. Okay, sulfur definitely we have to calculate oxygen -2. If we calculate the oxidation state of sulfur in normal method, so +2 because there are 2 hydrogen One hydrogen carries plus one charge. If there are two hydrogen, definitely there will be plus two charge, and we have to calculate sulfur. So consider x minus 2 into 5 is equals to 0. Okay, then plus 2 plus x, 5 2s are 8 is equals to 0. Okay, sorry, 5 2s are 10. Then x is equals to plus 8. x की वैल्यू प्लस 8 आएगी. तो अगर ये हम चार्ज इस पे प्लस 8 कर देते हैं तो ये टेक्निकली रॉन्ग हो जाता है, बिकॉज सल्फर का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट प्लस 8 हो ही नहीं सकता है. कैसे? सल्फर एटॉमिक नंबर 16 286. According to the electronic configuration, you can see sulfur is highly electronegative element and it carries 6 electron in its outer shell. It need 2 electron to complete its octet. So being there is 2 electron left to complete its octet, so it would attract the electron from electropositive species to complete its octet. Okay, but there is a oxygen molecule. Oxygen is more electronegative as compared to sulfur. So in this case, sulfur have tendency to donate 6 electron, not more than 6. If it donates 6 electron, definitely इस केस में भी इसका octet complete हो जाता है. So it cannot be donate more than 6 electron. If it donates 6 electron, so the charge must be plus 6, not more than this. Plus 6 से ज़्यादा इसके ऊपर चार्ज नहीं हो सकता. Then how can it? So definitely there is something wrong with oxygen. We have to know about it. There are 3 oxygen which are normal and there are 2 oxygen which are peroxide oxygen. It means these kind of oxygen carries -1 charge instead of -2. Okay, so these are the peroxide oxygen, and in this case sulfur will carries plus 6 charge and it is natural. Okay, H2SO5. Hydrogen carries plus 1 charge, oxygen carries -2 charge. For calculating sulfur, plus 2 because there are 2 hydrogen, plus x plus -2 into 3. -2 into 3. There are 3 normal oxide plus -1. There are 2 peroxide oxygen, -1 2 is equals to 0. We have to calculate this equation. Plus 2 plus x minus 6 minus 2 is equals to 0. Then definitely x will be plus 6. You have to calculate it. The charges on sulfur will be plus 6. So we can say the oxidation state of sulfur in this molecule, it means in Marshall acid, would be plus 6. Okay, so these are the few example regarding the oxidation state of an element. If we back, अगर हम लोग वापस जाएं तो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे redox reaction. So if there is an increasement in the oxidation number, so definitely there will be oxidation. If there is a decreasement in the oxidation number, definitely there will be reduction reaction takes place. Okay, so we have learned the oxidation number of an element. So in a reaction we can easily identify there is an increasement or decreasement in the oxidation state. Okay, so let us have one chemical reaction. Let us take a very easy reaction like H2 plus I2 gives 2HI. Okay, the oxidation state of a molecule like Cl2, O2, N2, P4, S8 will be 0. ऐसी species का oxidation number 0 होगा. So the oxidation state of hydrogen for this molecule is 0. because hydrogen itself combined with hydrogen, so it would be 0. In case of iodine, it is also 0. Okay, hydrogen carries +1 charge, iodine carries +1 charge. Okay, you can see hydrogen 0 to +1, there is an increasement in the oxidation number, that is why it would be there will be oxidation. There is a decreasement in the oxidation number in iodine, you can see there is a reduction reaction. Okay, oxidation reduction. So in today's session it is completed. So in next session we will just talk about some other example of oxidation reduction reaction and oxidizing and reducing agent as well. Okay, तो इसके जो भी एग्जांपल्स हैं, आपकी जो भी बुक है एनसीईआरटी उसको फॉलो करें, और इसमें बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स दिए गए होंगे, और इसके जो रिगार्डिंग जो भी क्वेरीज होंगी वो आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे डील कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.